Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to earn money from the Instagram. So if you want to know if you can earn money from the Instagram or not, then my answer is yes, you can make money from the Instagram. But how you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, if you want to earn money from your Instagram, make your Instagram a professional look. Give your Instagram to a professional look with your email address, write business queries etc. So edit your bio, write all about you, your Instagram account and your email address and your contact information. So uh, if any of your if any brand will like your profile, give you a product to promote. So let's suppose I want to promote this YouTube channel. I need a traffic from the Instagram, so I will find a good influencer from the Instagram to promote my channel. So let's suppose this is the profile with blue tick and he have 57 million followers. So as you will see, he also write a business email. So it's not mandatory you have followers in the million, but you have a good profile with more than 10,000 followers. And let's suppose I want to promote my YouTube channel. I will simply message him to promote my product and I will pay you for this. So this is the process to make money from the Instagram. So hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.